In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a new website that you can use to automatically transcribe your audio or video files into transcripts, translate them, or even do summaries of your transcripts right inside that platform. Now, welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. For this video, I'm going to be walking you through Gaston.live, and it's more or less an audio and video transcription on steroids. So what can it do? I'll just do a quick overview, and it can handle almost every format. It can download videos directly from hundreds of sites, and especially something like YouTube, it can do a really good job with it. You can search your transcripts with ease. We all know sometimes how it gets a little bit hectic to do that. It detects speakers automatically. You can also organize your recordings into folders and do edits and annotate your transcripts. You can also monitor channels like YouTube channels, so when a channel uploads, it does the automatic transcription for you and everything is ready for you to go. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can do the search recording, speaker detection, monitor YouTube channels. You can also do AI for transcript analysis and summaries, which is really important, and obviously powered by ChatGPT models right there. And then we've got translation into over 40 plus languages right inside here. So that's really good. And as I've mentioned, you can also organize your files so that you can easily find them and move them around the way you want them to be. So as you can see, all that's supported, but of importance here is you can transcribe at least one file for free every day. That's on the house. Now, for you to actually find the most useful part of this is you may need to buy, but you can always try. As you've seen, we have one free file transcription per day. So I'm going to log into my account so that I can give you a quick overview of how everything looks like. So when you come to the dashboard right here, it's more or less like the library. You have a couple of options. You've got my files, the search functionality, bookmarks, my sources, monitoring, that is like YouTube channels, and then there's the option for help. You can create a new directory, delete directories, move files, export files. Really awesome. And then you can scroll down and see the files that you've actually worked on and how long ago you worked on them. And right up here you can see the add media. So I'll click on add media, and from here what you can do, you can upload files directly from your computer or using a URL link to the page where the audio or video is located. So Gaston immediately begins transcribing the file into text and automatically detects the spoken language. After the transcription is complete, you can change the language of the transcription and add translation. So that's okay. Okay, got it. And this is what more or less the interface looks like. So let's say I drag and drop a short file here. Just drag and drop it right inside there. It's uploading media. Please wait. You can see I've just let everything to auto detect. And once you do that, down here, if you scroll down slightly, you'll see the file that you just added right here. It's going to be under my files, and the whole process is beginning in the background right there for us. Now, what if you wanted to work with a URL? Now, I do have a video that I own right here with subtitles off. Actually, I don't believe it has subtitles, but even if it has the English auto generated. So if I come and click here, click copy, and just come inside here and paste, Control V, and click on add. There we go. It's been added right there, and it can tell you when the video was uploaded, February 4th, 2026 at 7:55 p.m. Now, as for this one, let's click on it to see what we have, and there we go. The transcript is ready for us to work on. And on the right, Gaston AI kind of gives you a summary of what this whole video is more or less about. The transcript is a tutorial by David on how to flatten a PDF for free online using Canva. David explains the flattening a PDF combines all layers like fonts and images into a single layer to make it easier to print and prevent edits. He demonstrates the process by uploading a PDF into Canva, clicking on share, selecting download, choosing PDF standard, and selecting the option to flatten the PDF. The tutorial highlights that these actions convert the PDF into a scan-like PDF. David confirms the results by opening the PDF with a PDF editing application, which recognizes it as a scan PDF. So that's a summary of more or less this particular transcript. So as I mentioned, you've got a couple of settings here. If you click on them, you can see the different options here, player view mode and all that. You can detect speakers. You can click on these to more or less translate the translation. You can also copy. If you click on this, you're going to copy the whole transcript. You can also click on export, and from here you've got the different options. If you click on this, you can see simple text with timestamps, subtitle, that is SRT, CSV, or the audio file. And then you can also click on the source here, if more or less it's the web source, and also the AI is this on the side. So if I click on it, it goes away. If I click on it again, it comes right here, and you can always ask it something more about this. And also you can always copy this particular summary for use. So if you scroll down, let's actually close this here. If you actually scroll down, you can see what the transcript looks like. But if we go up and just have a listen,
in this tutorial, I'll show you how to flatten a piece.
You'll take a note that the words are followed more or less when I'm speaking. Gaston kind of follows what I'm saying.
Here for free online without the need for Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to this video. My name is David, and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world.
The AI has really got my voice correctly. It's doing the transcription well, but let's assume it missed something. If you're right inside here, you can just click on this, edit sentence, and do the changes that you want. Let's close that. You can also copy the sentence to clipboard and also create a bookmark of this. Now let's take a look at the file that we uploaded from YouTube. If I click on my files right here, it's going to take us back to this particular page, and you can see this one. This one is the one from YouTube, and I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, it's going to give us more or less of the same. So obviously we've got Gaston AI on the right, giving us a summary of this particular transcript right there. And then you can see everything that's right inside here. Let's say you want to play a section here. If you click on the waveform, it can take you straight there, and then you can do
in this tutorial,
like you can play so that it goes on where you want it to be. You can click on a word.
Volume. That's for the volume.
When you click on a word, it kind of autoplays right there. And then let's go back to my files, to a file that we uploaded here. Yeah, and there it is. Now that is how you can automatically transcribe audio or video for free using Gaston. Remember, for the free version, it's 1 file per day. So you may need to do a purchase to actually get the other functionalities like translations or maybe the AI. But that's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.